We are on the train. This is exciting. Say hi, Monica.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Wave to me. I'm waving to you.
Water ride.
Here it comes. Henry. Say cheers. He's like, where am I? Kings Dominion has a train too. It's actually a longer train. And there's a little break in the action, and we're back and we're drinking train water. How are you feeling, Monica Harvey?
Great.
Is this the greatest day of your life?
It is.
All right. What's been it like so far?
Oh, fun and more fun.
Fun in the sun. And we'll be back soon.